Ah yes, computer programming.
Ranging from the simplest programs to the most complex, complicated, sophisticated programs in the entirety of mankind. Might even give you brain damage.
Anyways, it has become a very essential part of our daily lives.
Being used in almost every category you can think of.
Used across industries for software development, web development, data analysis, AI, game development, automation, robotics, IoT, and scientific research.
It empowers individuals to create, automate, and innovate. With promising career prospects, programming is essential for shaping the future and excelling in the digital world.
So why won't we start the video? Wait, is that like a guitar here?
Start! So, where do we start?
Well, first you gotta know what a computer program is.
A computer program is a sequence of instructions written using a computer programming language to perform a specific task by the computer.
Basically, it's instructions for a computer to follow in a specific language, understandable by the computer. Take it like this.
You see this PC right here? His name is Mr. Computer. Now, I want Mr. Computer to display on the screen. Hello, my name is Mr. Computer. But Mr. Computer only understands the specific language, Python. Not that Python, this Python. How do I do that?
Well, all you gotta do is to type. In this case, tell the instructions to Mr. Computer in this special language. The instructions I'm gonna tell to Mr. Computer is basically a computer program.
Now, there are hundreds of types of programming languages which can be used to program. The main languages we will be using to explain will be C and Python.
Before we start programming, you will need a text editor and a compiler or interpreter, depending on what computer language you will be using. For now, we will be using an online C compiler.
To start, we first need to type in this statement. For now, just forget about this statement. Next, type in this statement. Then press enter. Every C program starts with this, the main function. The rest of the program instructions will be written in between these curly brackets, known as the body.
Next, in the curly braces, type in this. Small units of programs like main and printf are called functions and are used to carry out a specific task. For example, the function main provides the entry point for the program, while the function printf is used to print information into the screen.
Now, there are statements and characters used to make programs user-friendly and easy to understand. These are called comments and white spaces, and are completely ignored by the compiler or the interpreter.
Comments are statements enclosed inside these symbols, and because they are completely ignored by the compiler and interpreter, you can explain your program in any language.
White spaces are characters that are invisible to your program. These include spaces, tabs, and new lines.
Note, it's important to remember that every individual statement in a C program must be ended by a semicolon. Now that we are...
Oh, sorry, I need to fix something. There, so I was saying, we are now going to talk about syntax errors.
If you do not follow the rules defined by your programming language, then at the time of compilation, you will get syntax errors, and the program will not be compiled.
Even a single dot, comma, or semicolon matters when you are coding. Just one mistake in your code makes a difference and might even take hours, maybe even days, might even years, to find in the most complicated programs.
So when coding, you must be very careful and mindful of what you are typing.